Hello friends, while taking online classes or preparing some e-contents for our students, it has been always a great concern for all the teachers how to write mathematical equations in the MS Word. So in this video, we will learn how can we insert mathematical equations in MS Word to make our e-contents. For this, we just open a MS Word document, and for typing an equation, we have to just click on Insert tab. After that, we see this equation or symbol option, so I click on equations. Here we can see that there are already some built-in equations are given. We can use any one of them, but currently we want to insert new equation. For this, I click on this. Then this type of box will be there. Type your equation here. We can use each of these to make our equations. If we want to use fraction, then we can choose any type of fraction. If you want to use this, we can click on this and we can insert whatever we want to write. Suppose I want to write 1 upon 2, then I click here 1, and in second I click on 2. If I want to add something more in this equation, then just plus what we want to add. Suppose I want to add 4 upon 3 equals to, suppose I want to ask what is the sum of 1 upon 2 plus 4 upon 3, then I can add question mark here. In this way we can prepare our equation. In this way we can insert the equation. Now if you want to insert some script type equation, suppose I want to insert x square plus y square, then I have to click on this x square, then plus y square equals to 0, whatever we want to type. If I want to insert some more functions, suppose I want to insert the radical, suppose I choose this is for cube root. Suppose I want to find the cube root of 9, we can use this. If we want to I want to choose integral, then we can choose integral from here. If we require just simple integral, then I can choose this. If I want to integrate the function in this format, I can choose all the types of integral from here. These are contour integral. For complex functions, we can use any one of them. If you want to choose large operator, summation, any type of function, we can use. Suppose I want to use product of x, y, then we can use all the type of functions from here. If we want to use SN type functions, we can use this. We require bar on our asterisk on our function. We can use all the things from here. We can insert the equation of any length in this way. If you want to use sine cos type functions, we can choose from here sine theta, cos theta, sine x, cos x, whatever we required. We can use all the functions from here. We can also use hyperbolic function from here, sine hyperbolic x, cos hyperbolic x, or whatever functions we required. Also there are inverse hyperbolic functions. Some common functions are written sine theta, cos 2x, tan theta, which are most commonly used. If we want to use limit type functions, we can use from here. Common function also given. So in this way we can use. This is very interesting. If you want to insert some matrix, then we have what type of matrix we require. Suppose I want this 2 by 2, then 2 1 2 3. In this way we can insert matrices also. Now there are some various symbols. If you use plus minus, we can use from here infinity, equal, not equals to, asterisk, cross, division. These are the various functions we can use from here in our equations. We can use any one of them: alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, theta, mu, pi, rho, sigma, tau, psi. We can use all these from here into our equation. Suppose I write an equation here. I write some text here. Find the roots of the quadratic equation. Which quadratic equation? Then I have to insert here. I have to go on this and write. Suppose I want roots of x square minus 2x plus 1. Then I choose a script, because x square comes from here, x square minus 2x plus 1 equals, sorry, plus 1 equals to 0. In this way we can write our questions, mathematical questions. If I want to add something over, find, suppose I want to differentiate some function, then I have to choose this fraction. I want the value of dy over dx, but we will write by myself. Find dy over dx sin x equals to whatever with the value of. In this way we can write the value, and it is a very basic thing. We can change the fonts from here. We can increase the font size of our choice from here. We can choose whatever the word option we want to choose. So in this way we can insert the mathematical equations. Now we have seen there is some inbuilt equations. Now if there is some equation we are using it frequently, and we don't want to type it again and again, then we can make it as a inbuilt equation. For this, what we have to do, suppose I want to make this equation, I click on this and save as new equation. Then this type of box will appear before us, and we have to name it. Suppose it belongs to it is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equations, category general, description, whatever, algebra. Then I click on OK. Now if we go back again on equation, insert equation and click here, then we have to check. Yes, this is the equation we have just inserted. Now we can just clicking on this and use it again and again. I click on this, then this is here, and I can make any changes what we want to make. Suppose I want to insert one more question. Find the rank of the matrix insert matrix from here. Suppose I want this 3 by 3 matrix. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So in this way we can insert matrix. So friends, in this way we can insert any type of equation, mathematical equation in MS Word. We have to just click on insert tab, then on equation button. In this way we can insert all the equations we required. Now there is one more options. If we don't want to use inbuilt Microsoft insert option, then we can type it another professional way by MatType. As I installed MatType here, so it is with the toolbar option MatType. For this, if you want to write some mathematical equation using MatType, then I have to just click on insert button, and now we will not click on equation, we have to click on object. Then which type of object we want to insert, then MatType 6 equation will, whatever version we are using, it will appears here. I click on this, then this is the interface of MatType, and we can use this to write our equations. If we want to use algebra equation, some basic equations are given. These are the various forms. This is very easy and interesting, and with the help of this we can type very professional equations, and they are much better than the inbuilt Microsoft option. Suppose I want to type matrix here in the form of square bracket. These are the various bracket we can choose from here. Suppose I want to write matrix in square bracket, then I have just taken a square bracket, and which type of matrix we are choosing. Suppose 3 by 3, we can enter value 1 plus tab 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now I just close it, and this is the, we can see this format is much better than the MS Word option. If I want to make some changes in it, then it will not change here. I have to double tap here, and I can make whatever changes we need. Suppose I want to delete this, and I want this type of matrix A B C D, then we can use it from here. If I cross it, then this will be before us. I want to delete it, I can delete. Suppose I write a equation, basically a question, question 1, find the rank of the matrix. Then just insert option, go to object, click on MatType 6 equation, and if you want to insert matrix in this type of bracket, choose, suppose we want to our specific matrix, we don't want 2 by 2 or 3 by 3. Suppose I need 4 by 4, then I can use from here. If we want 10 by 10, we can also use from there, and I just type 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 2 4, and in this way we can write our questions very easily. So in this way we can insert any type of equations. Suppose I once again click on object and chooses MatType 6 equation, and what I want to insert, suppose I want to insert limit extends to infinity, and I have, it is not to note, if we want to give some space between the equation, then we have to use control plus space, to give space. Suppose I want to find the limit x tends to infinity x square, then I can close it. So in this way we can use limit function. If we want to use some more function and we don't want again by selecting object, then I just type and copy an equation, paste here on number 3 and click on this. I can make any changes here. We can choose any symbol from here. This type of symbol also can be chosen. We can, if we want to write some function of this type, suppose x, and above x we require this type, then we can choose this. If we need this type, we can choose any type of function. We can choose this plus minus, minus plus, cross, or this type of bracket. Any type of our choice we can use from here. We can choose arrows of any type. So these are all some inbuilt functions. We can choose bracket of any type of our choice. We can use modulus function. If you want to type something in suffix, suppose I want to write x1, then I have just choose it from here. I click x1 plus I want to write x2. Once again I will choose it from here. Suppose I want to write x1 square, then I have to choose is x1 so we can use any function of our type. X, if I chooses this, x1 square, in this way we can write this. So we can choose any type of function. If you want to use integration, we can integrate x dx. So every function is already there. If you want to use under root, then we can use under root. So friends, in this way we can use any type of mathematical equations using this MATLAB software.